What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on crypto.com coin. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that from this bottom to this top we had a retracement, and this retracement also hit the golden pocket range, the range in between 0.65 and 0.618 Fibonacci levels, and it also might be a good reversal point from this very small scale, but instead of this we hit the range of 0.236 and went lower, and for now the range of 0.786 becomes a support, and we are hovering right above this level. So technically we are quite bullish, still quite bullish, but we have to be cautious, and this pivot should hold in order to have the same targets, and I will share my thoughts on my targets in just several minutes. But let me show you that in my technical analysis I will explain why I made my Elliott wave count from this bottom. And for now let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto market. For now we are sitting at the total market cap of $2.66 trillion. It is a 1.57% increase over the last day, and Bitcoin is pretty much moving sideways. It doesn't have any gains and major losses during 7 days period and 24 hours period, but Ethereum is in a beast mode. It's up for about 8% during the last 7 days and about 5.13% over the last 24 hours. So quite good movement for Ethereum. And let me show you the crypto.com coin. For now it has a total market cap of $17.53 billion. It's down for 1.4%, and it has a total tradable volume during last 24 hours at the level of $545.19 million, and it's up for about 7%. So good numbers, and let me show you that we have very good news about this company and about this token. First of all, let me show you this. One day ago on investorplace.com we have this article that is titled "Crypto.com coin has utility compelling to crypto skeptics." And let me show you just this paragraph. The utility of crypto.com coin. I don't know if crypto.com will succeed in being a major Web3 platform. It seems like a bold bet. What is true now, though, is that crypto.com app has more than 10 million users and plenty of useful features. The most notable features are buying and selling crypto with advanced trading, investing in NFTs, non-fungible tokens, holding a crypto.com card, access to loans, earning up to 14.5% annually, earning interest from DeFi protocols, and accepting crypto payments as merchant. And I have to say that a lot of other competitors has the same, roughly the same list of their features, but crypto.com is one of the leaders because it has more features combined in one place. So, and let me show you this article. This article was published also on Investor Place 4 hours ago, and it's titled "Crypto.com coin keeps making deals that will draw investors' attention." And let me show you this. On November the 30th, Cointelegraph said that Silvergate, a California-based bank, will allow institutional clients to deposit and withdraw from Crypto.com using US dollars. Using the Silvergate exchange network, institutional clients can transfer USD between their bank accounts and Crypto.com with no fees. And here's one of its advantages compared to Coinbase. Crypto.com allows people to buy and sell over 200 different cryptocurrencies using USD. Many of these cryptos cannot be bought on Coinbase Global. For example, Coinbase allows fewer than 120 cryptos to trade for US dollars. And this is one of the advantages of Crypto.com. So I think this company in general and this coin in particular has a huge and bright future, and I will show you in my technical analysis my targets. But right before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I read a lot of comments on my recent videos, and a lot of my viewers ask me why I make this type of breakdown and why I pull the Fibonacci retracement and extension tool only for this from this bottom to this top. And let me show you in details. Some of you definitely might pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, and because of this scale we didn't hit even we hit only 0.382 range, but we don't have any type of support right here. We broke it and bounced back, and we didn't hit even 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. And why it is the wrong approach to make this type of measurements? Let me show it you right here. How to make a proper breakdown. First of all, you have to acknowledge where we have the largest volume, the biggest volume on the movement to the upside. Definitely it is right here. This means we might have this internal movement as our third wave. So on a smaller scale, on the most smallest scale, we have this is our first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth. And 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is only 1 wave on a greater scale. This means on a slightly bigger scale, we might have this is our first wave, this is our second, this entire wave is the third one, fourth and top of the fifth one. And also, I don't need this one. And also these 5 waves, only 1 wave on a slightly bigger scale. And this scale is exactly the same scale that we have on this movement. So we have this as our retracement. And we have next movement to the upside as the beginning of the third wave on a slightly bigger scale. Because on the biggest scale, the most biggest scale that we have for now, we have this entire movement is our first wave, this is our second. This movement that we didn't finish yet will be our third, then we will have a fourth, and fifth will be much higher. And we are now at this third wave on the most biggest scale. And that's why right here I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, because we are retracing this internal third wave, and that's why we have this breakdown. So I think I've answered on this question. And what should we expect next? Basically it is quite simple again, because we didn't break our support, major support, and we didn't break our resistance either. This means we can accumulate the position at the range of about 69 to basically down to about $63 range, and right here you might put your stop loss if you want to catch the trade. And if this pivot holds, we still have the following targets, and to project these targets I pull Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of the retracement of the fourth wave right here, because we have to project the length of the fifth wave compared to the length of the third one. And the most conservative target will be at 0.786, and let me show you that on the most biggest scale we will have the top of our fifth wave right here will be the top of our third wave on a slightly bigger scale. I have to upgrade this scale a little bit, and this will be the top potentially at 0.786, or we might have 1-to-1 extension, and in this case third wave and fifth wave will be at $1.13 mark. And if we will have an extension in the fifth wave, we will have the third wave right here at 1.618 extension level, and it is a $1.44 price point. So let's be conservative, and for now let's focus on this the most conservative target at $1.02, and from our current price we might have about 50% of upside potential and not more than 7% of downside potential. So I think it is quite good setup. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!